Hey there, this is Rowan, your punk rock hooper. In our last video, when we talked about getting a sewing studio going, Susie commented, "What do you mean we don't always dress this way?" And I gotta say that she's right. I mean, like, look at us. This probably wasn't even Halloween. And here's Susie at a hoop shoot that we did together, looking fly and creative. And here she is looking extra fly in her cape on the beach. I think this is more of what we look like on the regular. It's still pretty creative, though. This is one of my favorite pictures ever of Alex and baby Charlie. It was a surprise when he got those extra eyebrows. Here's our teacher, Lisa. She's largely responsible for most of our shenanigans. Pretty much all about the radical expression and radical body love. Here's what Blythe wore to Cool Honey today. And here's Susie and Allie getting down. Who likes capes? And of course, Big Bubbles. I noticed we also all like to wear a lot of black. It's our uniform. I'm not really sure who these people are. As we keep working on our sewing studio, I'll keep showing you what we get into. And as always, much love to the Vibe Tribe. We've had a lot of fun taking these pictures, all these different events these last few years. We hope to take a bunch more. Thanks for watching.